Hello, I'm Dr. Anu Mehta, and today I'm going to talk to you about something that is going to change the way that you look at your health and your illness. Most people believe that when your body develops symptoms, something has gone wrong. But what if I told you that your body is not malfunctioning? Your body is responding to a stress in your life. I want you to understand through this video that your symptoms are communicating something. They are communicating a connection between a stressful event that's happened in your life. Then it's the connection between your mind, your emotions, and how you and your body is going to deal with this stress that is significant in your life. It's my attempt to make you aware that your physical health and your mental health are both interconnected. For decades, we have seen illness as only a physical symptom. When we experience pain, inflammation, fatigue, or any other symptom which is physical in nature, our first thing that we do is, how can we eliminate this symptom? Very rarely do we ask ourselves a deeper question. Why is this symptom showing itself to us? Every physical symptom in our body is connected with emotional content and psychological content. When we go through stressful situations, we can go through shock. We can go through emotions which get captured during that shock. And that is really important for us to understand that this together will then be processed by our brain and will tell our body what to do next. When we experience the shock, this stressful event, this is the time when our body is saying, okay, what action do I take? What do I do from here? Where do I go from here? And what happens is that in that step, you might feel fear, you might feel irritation, you might feel anger. And along with that, you may not have anybody that you can talk to and say, please help me. And this is then this lag between that we are talking to someone and getting some help, and there is so much going on in the stress, really the foundation of where our symptoms get created. So from the meta health point of view, our body's never spoken lies. It's speaking in the language of symptoms. So let's understand here, how are the physical symptoms and mental symptoms created. When you go through a shock, let's say that your loved one has met with an accident and you get a phone call. Now this is going to impact your emotions. You're going to say, oh my God, how do I save this person? Can I do something about it? And you know what? There's a gap between that you will ask someone to help you. In this gap, all that you heard, all that you felt gets entrapped into your brain. And your brain is then looking at the data and saying, oh my God, this is not safe. I don't know how to deal with this. There's a little bit of element of helplessness and not feeling supported. And this is the birthplace of your symptoms. This is when your body changes something physically at the mental level, at the level at which the organs will be reacting. These stresses are not just going to be, they're going to impact your digestion. You won't feel like eating, right? Because you've understood that this person has gone through an accident. Your breathing gets impacted. You're not breathing randomly. You're probably running inside your head and running outside your head. Along with that, there are physiological changes which are happening inside your body that you can't see. And of course, your biggest thing is that how do I get help for that person? How do I reach there as fast as possible? And that all is going to have an impact on your mental and on your physical health. Basically, it is about how your nervous system thought about the whole thing. Is it safe? Is it unsafe? How your brain has interpreted the stress. Which layer of the brain is it going to send the command to and say, okay, come on, There's a stress. How are you going to deal with it? Is it a survival issue? Is it a protection issue? What's the issue there? Is it a separation issue? Is it an issue where you're not feeling good about yourself? And these contents will then decide which organ is going to show symptoms. Because understand, all the organs cannot show symptoms at the same time. Your body will not function. So what if this news of the accident wasn't just heard by me, but also by my spouse? Will my spouse have the same symptoms as me? Probably not. And why is that? Because his experience, his connection with the person, and how he looks at life may be entirely different from how my perceptions are or how I look at my life. So my experience, my outlook, and the way I look at things will definitely change the way my symptoms will be formed and which symptoms will be formed. Body is like, a river where if you throw stones over there, the body is going to have another diversion, which is called an adaptation. So now imagine the stone that's thrown there is your stress. What's body doing? It's creating an adaptation. What's an adaptation? So that you can deal with the stress that's going on in your life. Sometimes we find that a problem keeps happening again and again. Like no matter what you're doing, no matter how much medication you're doing, no matter what diet you're eating, that symptom is happening again and again. Maybe that headache, maybe that stomach pain, maybe that pain in your legs is happening again and again. Check at that time, which stress are you carrying in your relationships that is consistently there in your space? So if you don't take care of your relationships, let's say your husband, let's say your boss, let's say your mother-in-law, let's say your mother, with who you do not have that equation that you want to have. Now, imagine every time your boss comes and stands in front and you don't like this boss of yours, the emotions are coming up. And your body is storing those emotions. And what are you doing? Not resolving them. What are you doing? Putting it under the carpet. And why? Because you rather earn money than change your course of life. And if you're not going to adapt, then of course your body and your mind is happy to adapt. So from mental health point of view, you need to then deal with that stress that is getting caused in your body. Rather than storing it and making your body adapt to it, find how you could deal with it in your external life. And once you deal with what is going on around you, with your boss, with your wife, with your husband, with your mother, with someone that you're having a tough time, your chronic disease disappears. That headache of yours disappears. Your pain is not there anymore. Why? Because the painful experience that you're having in that relationship is not there anymore. So I hope now you can see a bigger picture behind your symptom. So Meta Health helps you to identify what is that stressful event that caused your disease. Once that stress is stored in your body, what are the triggers? What did you see? What did you smell? What did you taste? What did you hear? That is re-triggering your body again and again and again. When we understand our triggers, when we understand who and what stresses us, we are in control. Once you have awareness, everything changes around you. Once you understand that, that pain in your leg or that headache is actually connected with bigger things in your life, you come into that awareness. Then you can take actions differently. You can deal with whatever is going on in your life differently. And this is what Meta Health did for me. What I did was that instead of getting fearful of my symptoms, I understood my symptoms. I understood why they were there. And then I went ahead and tried working on those relationships, not just on that body part. And everything changed for me. So you need to understand your body is not your enemy. The symptoms are just a language for you to understand what's going on inside you. The more you understand what is that physical or mental symptom telling you, the more empowered you get. And the more empowered you get, the more awareness is what you can create. That fear in you completely disappears. By now, you would have understood that your body is not working against you. It's working for you. Extremely grateful for all of you for watching this, and do subscribe to this channel. Thank you.